Hello, this is David Ruben. This video is going to be called Why You Shouldn't Feel Guilty About Filing for Bankruptcy. If you watch any of my other videos on this or any of my other websites, you'll see that I sort of shoot from the hip and I'm not scripted at all. I just tell you what information I have from my memory. This one's going to be a little bit different, and the reason is because this one, Why You Shouldn't Feel Guilty About Filing for Bankruptcy, I didn't write this. I read this and it was just so perfect and really encapsulates exactly what I've been trying to tell clients for years. I wanted to read it to you on a video, but again, I'm going to read it from a piece of paper, letting you know that I didn't write this, somebody else did. The American economy is based on consumer spending. Roughly 2/3 of the gross national product has come from consumers like us spending our hard-earned dollars on goods and services we deem essential to our lives. As Americans, we learn from an early age that it's a good thing to buy all sorts of products and services. A highly paid army of persuaders surrounds us with thousands of seductive messages each day that all say, buy, buy, buy. These sophisticated advertising techniques, which can often cross the line into manipulation, work, and as a result, we buy. And for those of us who can't afford to pay as we go, credit card companies relentlessly offer credit, even to those of us deeply in debt. Readily available credit often makes it easy to live beyond our means and difficult to resist the siren songs of the advertisers. If, because of illness, loss of work, or just plain bad planning, we can't pay for the things we need, feelings of fear and guilt are often our first responses. But, as we have also seen, the American economy has depended on our spending. The more, the better. In short, much of American economic life is built on a contradiction. If you are grappling with guilt, remember that the large creditors expect defaults and bankruptcies and treat them as cost of doing business. They expect that you're going to file bankruptcy. It's a cost of doing business. I just repeated that for you because it's important. Banks issue many credit cards because they are very profitable, even though some credit card debts are wiped out in bankruptcies and never repaid. Bankruptcy is a truly worthy part of the legal system, based as it is on forgiveness rather than retribution. Certainly, it helps keep families together, frees up income and resources for children, reduces suicide rates, and keeps the ranks of the homeless from growing even larger. And perhaps paradoxically, even every successful bankruptcy returns a newly empowered person to the ranks of the patriotic consumer. If you suddenly find yourself without a job, socked with huge unexpected medical bills you can't pay, or simply snowed under by the impossible debt burden, bankruptcy provides a chance for a fresh start and a renewed positive outlook on life. So that's what bankruptcy is about. We want you to think about it in those terms. There's no reason to feel guilty about bankruptcy. Feel free to watch any of the other videos, learn more about bankruptcy. Give us a call anytime if you have any questions. We'll be happy to help you if you're considering filing.